Yeah. Here we go. Here, here. So they can see you open the package.
What's that? Oops.
Oh,
That
what a pretty purple bow.
That's cool.
One little finger. Let's see, what have they got?
What's in there?
Let's see. Okay. No, let's see. Let's see. What is it? What? Oh, look how pretty.
Wow.
Oh, you're going to be gone.
We're home. We're home. Look at
Oh, one more. Get another one. Oh, yeah.
Oh, let's see what else. Tico from Grandma. This is from your abuelita. This is from your abuelita. Look. Oops.
Open it.
Yeah, it's for you.
Yeah, I think so.
Here, one. Yeah. Oh, you mesmerized by rainbow balloon.
What, honey? Yay! Look how pretty! I think they had lots of fun. Slam dunk it. Oh.
You can wear them now.
You go, this one too, you go.
But we should have him stand up next to the pavement every year.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
We can do that later.
Look at
Yeah.
that. Here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No? Vamos.
So, for him, I don't, that's what you do.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to open it for him.
Look at this.
In a couple of years, he'll be opening your presents, so this is the only time you just do that. I think your grandparents had so much fun
Prince
going
Charming.
shopping. Oh, yeah, is that you, Prince Charming?
Yes. Yeah. Sorry, here you go. This is to Ramon from your Uncle Tristan.
Ooh.
Wow, does it taste good?
What did he give you? Yeah.
Cool. No bubbles.
Mmm. Oh,
You
you,
can do it.
yes. I love
You
when
want me
he
to
does
open that one for you?
I need it. Let's play that a little bit more. Maybe you can set the picture to Tristan. There
Yeah,
you go.
this is cool. Ooh, what's that? Oh, Papa, whatever it is. Yeah. Oh.
Ramon? Hey, Ramon.
There we go.
Yeah. Oh, batteries, yes. Need batteries.
Yeah.
There we go.
Batteries left on you?
Yeah, you gotta search for him though.
Can we open that? Can we open that? Let's open it. Come on. Let's open that. It might taste better, no? Okay. Who knows? Who knows?
Oh, look, this one's from Miss Mary. Can we open this one from Miss Mary? Yeah, this one's from Miss Mary, remember? That was nice of Miss Mary to give you a gift. That one from Tristan tastes good.
Oh, does that taste good? Does that taste good? Yeah, it's probably paper made in China.
Oh my goodness, she gave you pajamas. SpongeBob pajamas. That was very sweet. Oh, you want me to open that one? No?
Nope. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I don't know.
Is there something up on your head? Is there something on your head?
I think I take it off.
Is there something on your
You're
head?
gonna get mad when you get older and you see that. Yes. Maybe you need to add a couple more so he doesn't look quite so.
Some purple.
You know, it reminds me of Flossie. When she got married to Obi. She had a friend and they did that to her. I don't know why they did that.
3.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Uh-oh. Ow! Mmm. Ah. Ah. Oh!
Should we see what your Uncle Tristan gave you? He wrapped it very well. I think he did that so you wouldn't be able to open it. Oh, he gave you a check. Shit, I didn't know that. I wouldn't have do that. Wow. That was very nice of your Uncle Tristan. Yeah. Look at this. Thomas and the Great Race. Wow. Isn't that cool? That's very nice. Wow. Choo-choo.
You want to turn on the oven, honey? Because it'll take forever for it to warm up.
Can you bring me a Gatorade, Daddy, when you come back, please?
It's in the refrigerator.
No, it's right on the counter.
No, it's not. It's in the refrigerator.
What about the 325?
That's a good place to start.
Let's see
I
what's
think
in
it's
here.
higher, but that's fine.
Baby boy Tico from you know who.
Ooh. You sure like that? Yeah, is that just your size?
Uh-huh.
So wheels? Or
Pajamas.
tires? Or... Oh gosh, those are cute.
Let's see 'em.
Put the Gatorade.
Fridge.
Refrigerator.
Look at your pajamas, Ramon. Mira.
Those are pajamas?
Ramon, yeah.
Look at how cute dog.
Look
Oh,
at
I
the
love
puppies.
the plaid pants. Aren't those cute?
He's got some green ones just like that from him. From
Oh,
them.
those are darling.
It's dinosaur on the green ones.
Cute.
What's that?
There's Curtis pajamas.
Cook that orange and brown.
No, the dinosaur ones.
Is that from Uncle Tristan?
The car, yeah.
Likes it.
Wow. You're so cute.
Say thank you, thank you, thank you. Tell Tristan thank you.
Yeah. This is to Ramon from Baby Jesus.
Here, I'm picking it. Yes, pick it up. Come on. Pick it up. There you go. There you go. Show it.
Oh.
Okay.
Yay! Oh, cool! Look at socks. You love socks.
You go through socks.
Look, Ramon, you got socks.